Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm recording this video on the 28th of January. If you've been monitoring the market, you have noticed the precious metals are surging like crazy lately. Just take a look at the gold and silver headline news. They are at their all-time highs. Now today, I want to look at two very interesting income ETFs that are related to gold and silver. I do not have any holdings from this issuer as well. The two ETFs are from Kurv. They are the Kurv Silver Enhanced Income ETF, ticker symbol KSLV, and the Kurv Gold Enhanced Income ETF, ticker symbol KGLD. These funds generate monthly income from gold and silver, while still aiming to outperform the price of the metals over time. But here is the key question. Gold and silver are trading near all-time highs right now. Just look at the chart. So from an income investor's perspective, is this a smart time to get involved? Or are we chasing yield at the wrong part of the cycle? Let's break this down calmly and see what conclusions can we draw. And as always, this is not financial advice. Everything I say here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please do your own research and invest based on your risk tolerance. Alright, so what are KSLV and KGLD? Both of these ETFs are managed by Kurv, and both are actively managed income funds. KSLV focuses on silver exposure, while KGLD focuses on gold exposure. Instead of holding physical metals, these funds use silver or gold ETFs, layer on option strategies. Now, regarding the option strategies, Kurv did not publish a fixed mechanical options rule set. They may use calls and sometimes puts on gold and silver ETFs. These are actively managed income strategies, not simple covered call products. These are not buy and forget commodity ETFs. They are income tools with active risk management. Now let's look at the income numbers. According to Kurv's own website, for KSLV, the distribution rate is 18.52%, the 30-day SEC yield is 1.73%, the distribution frequency is monthly, and the expense ratio is 1%. For KGLD, the distribution rate is 11.59%, the 30-day SEC yield is 1.9%, it is also paid monthly, and the expense ratio is 1%. Now pause here, this part matters. The distribution rate is not equal to the guaranteed yield. The distribution rate reflects the option premiums earned, the realized gains, and sometimes return of capital. So if you are an income investor, the correct mindset is this. The cash flow is real, but it is variable, and it depends heavily on volatility in gold and silver. These are opportunities, income streams, not bond replacements. Now, these ETFs work best when gold and silver are volatile, prices move within wide ranges, and option premiums stay elevated. Now, just for your information, silver in particular is more volatile than gold, which partly explains why KSLV's distribution rate is higher than KGLD's. But here's the trade-off. Higher volatility equals higher income. Higher volatility equals more NAV swings. This is income with price risk, not fixed income. Now, what happens if gold or silver correct? This is the part many investors skip but shouldn't. Now, gold and silver are currently near cycle highs. If prices move sideways, income can remain decent. If prices pull back moderately, income may cushion some downside. But if prices sell off sharply, NAV will fall, income may drop, or ROC may increase. These funds do not magically protect you from commodities drawdowns. They can soften volatility, can monetize sideways market, but they cannot eliminate downside risk. As an income investor, that means your position sizing matters, the entry timing matters, and your expectations matter. So who is this not for? Here's my honest take. If you are chasing the headline distribution rate, expecting stable income regardless of metal prices, or treating this like a bond substitute, this is not the right product. But if you want measured exposure to gold or silver, like the idea of monetizing volatility, and are comfortable with variable income, then these funds can make sense, but only as a satellite position, not a core holding. Now, personally, I'll think about staggered entries or wait for pullbacks. If we look at the charts of KSLV, alright, if you look from the chart here, the prices now are all at an all-time high. So I'll probably wait for the price to come down closer to the 20 EMA, which is around the $44 to $45 range. For KGLD, it is the same thing. The prices are now at all-time high. So I'll probably let the price come down closer to the 20 EMA. And this is about $33 to $34 range. So here are my final thoughts. Both KSLV and KGLD are well-designed income tools, but they are still tools. They work best in volatile markets with realistic expectations and with disciplined position sizing. Gold and silver don't normally pay income. These funds attempt to create income where none naturally exist, and that's powerful but not free. So let me know in the comments below. Are you interested in these two ETFs and will you invest in them now? What is your outlook for gold and silver? If you like my review of KSLV and KGLD, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. That will greatly help the channel to grow. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.